For TAFE Western to be a finalist in these awards is a great honour. It really recognises the hard work that many staff in our organisation have done to improve our sustainability practices across the board.
About 3 years ago, TAFE Western decided to look at its sustainability portfolio and realised that travel was one of the biggest issues for us, since we cover about 62% of New South Wales, and that was both a big environmental and economic cost for us.
So we introduced a new fleet management model that used an annual planning approach. We've reduced the cost of running the fleet by over $155,000. And we've also managed to reduce the amount of travel being undertaken by staff around the Institute by nearly 380,000 kilometres. In that time, we've also reduced the amount of fuel we've been purchasing by nearly 74,000 litres. And we've been able to reduce the size of the fleet by about 10%, but by increasing the number of green cars in the fleet by 15%. We have also worked with staff to implement a carpooling system with an online booking system, and tried to work with staff to teach them how to design their travel so it's more efficient, so that they're not covering the same ground all the time.
We worked in partnership with the colleges and with external stakeholders like New South Wales State Fleet to look at how we actually hold meetings, and a lot of those we now hold by video conference instead of travelling.
In the same period, we've also been able to reduce the electricity usage by the Institute by nearly 5% and reduce the cost of electricity by nearly $200,000. So overall, from a carbon reduction perspective, we've actually reduced carbon emissions by about 173 tonnes.
TAFE Western does take sustainability very seriously. As an organisation, it's certainly part of our strategic plan. As an executive, it's something that we're very keen to encourage.